Let's learn how to use Gmail's Snooze feature as a daily reminder so you never forget to do a task. I go to Gmail, I go to Compose, I address the email to myself, then I type a subject line with an action. Let's say take medicine at 8 a.m. Then I click send. I see the email in my inbox. I can come over to the right, click snooze, and I say tomorrow, Saturday, 8 a.m. Click, and the email disappears from my inbox. Time moves forward. It's now Saturday morning. I see the email in my inbox. I can open it, take medicine at 8 a.m. I take my medicine. I can click the snooze button again, and I can schedule the medicine for another day. Let's do another example. Let's say I have a reading task that I want to do. Let's say I compose the email. I type the email to myself. I type a subject line with an action. Let's say read the Scientific American for 10 minutes. That's okay. Then I'm going to put a link to the Scientific American here. Paste and enter. Now, whenever I come to this email, I can just click on the link and go to it. I send the email to myself. I go to the right on the email. I click the snooze icon and I click, let's say later today, 6 p.m. I snooze the email. Time passes. It's now 6 p.m. and I can see that my email has returned to my inbox telling me to read the Scientific American for 10 minutes. Hey, look, a link. I click the link and now we're into the website. Let's do one last quick example. I click compose. I type my name. I go to the subject line. I say stretch for 5 minutes. I click send. I click the snooze icon. I click pick a date or time. I can select when I want to. Let's say I want to stretch on Tuesday at 11 a.m. I save. Time passes. It's now Tuesday at 11 a.m. I see the email in my inbox. Hey, stretch for 5 minutes. I open the email, do a little stretch. Ugh, feels good. I click the snooze icon again, and I can pick a date or time, and I can select when I want to snooze this email for to remind me to stretch again in the future. This is great for reminders for medicine, for reading, any task you want to do, perhaps cleaning, sweeping your floors, doing your laundry, anything. How will you use Gmail Snooze feature to increase your productivity and to help you do tasks? Leave a comment below. I'd love to read them. My name is Anthony P. Thanks for watching. If you want to support this free content, please click like and subscribe below, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks.